Remove the faceplate and screws. Carefully pull out the battery compartment and insert 3 CR123A batteries. Tighten the screws and replace the faceplate. First, use a tape to secure the outside outer cover, then loosen the screws and remove the old lock cylinder. Install the clip. Keep the plugging piece consistent with the lock cylinder. Put it into the lock body, then fix the lock smart cylinder with the screw. Put the cover on and gently fix it with a small screw. Associate gateway. Click the plus in the upper right corner of the main page. Select Wireless Gateway in Gateway and Others. Select the network and enter the password. Press and hold the gateway key to adjust to the signal light. After confirming that the signal light flashes quickly, click Next and select the location. The association is successful. Associative lock. Click the plus in the upper right corner of the main page. Select the Zigbee type door lock in Security Sensing. Wireless Smart Zigbee. Remove the battery protection cover. Long press the network button until the signal light flashes. Select the location. The association is successful. Unlock. Click to open the door remotely and confirm. Use. Display battery alarm information. Unlock record. Show unlock history. Setup. The remote door opening management is set to all accounts open secretly. The rest are selected according to the situation. Add member. Click plus in upper right corner of Member Management to add a family member. Name the member, select a country, and enter the account of a registered user. The member accepts the invitation in Family Management. Just change the group in the upper left corner of the home page. Delete member. Select the member to be deleted in Family Management. Click Remove Member and confirm. Delete lock. On the locked page, click Edit in the upper right corner. Click Remove Device and confirm. Delete Gateway. Click Edit in the upper right corner of the Gateways page. Click Remove Device and confirm.